Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here, and I can tell you now I am extremely excited about putting this video out today because this is the video where we're going to be announcing the winner to this year's Anti-Bullying Week Stay Safe Workshops poster competition. But before we get onto that, I want to say that this is the second year that we have run and organised this competition, and just like last year, this is probably one of the hardest things we've had to do all year, guys. We were extremely overwhelmed by the amount of people that took part in this competition, and we are really pleased to say that we've had schools from across the UK take part. So before we go on any further, I want to give a massive thumbs up to everyone out there that took the time in taking part. You are all most certainly winners in our eyes. All the entries were absolutely excellent, and like I said, I think you are all winners. However, this is a poster competition and we have had to take on the hard task of selecting one overall winner. So before I reveal this year's winner, I do want to explain why we ended up selecting this particular poster. As you will probably know, the theme of this year's National Anti-Bullying Week was Choose Respect, and it was most certainly the main theme behind this competition. And we felt that the winning poster completely summed up the theme of Choose Respect in an extremely uncomplicated and effective way by simply stating, respect everyone. As you can see, this is a fantastic poster. We were extremely impressed with this poster, and I'm sure that everyone out there can see why we ended up choosing this as our overall winner. Okay, so for myself and everyone here at Stay Safe Workshops, we want to say a massive congratulations to Daisy from Perranarworthall Worthall School down in Cornwall. Your poster entry was truly amazing, and we was even more blown away when we found out that you were a Year 2 pupil. Absolutely outstanding. Daisy, you are amazing and a well-deserved winner to this year's competition. Well done, Daisy. I am personally looking forward to visiting your school next year, where I'm going to be really excited to present and pass to you your winner's prize of this fantastic, awesome chocolate bouquet. So I just want to finish off by saying a massive thank you for everyone out there that took the time in taking part in this competition. Again, a massive well done and a massive congratulations to Daisy. And I also want to say a special thank you to Sweetie Bouquet Limited for donating this year's winner's prize. Thanks guys, that's it from me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.